Hello friends, Sat Sri Akal, Namaskar, Adab. Very good day to all of you. I am Harminder Singh, a realtor with Coldwell Banker Southwest Realty. Today, I want to talk with you regarding my services for my clients. There are hundreds and thousands of realtors in whole Ontario. In Sarnia, there are about 250 realtors which are registered with the Sarnia Lambton Real Estate Board. And I know that each of you, there are many relatives, there are family, there are friends who are in the real estate and you are working with them. This is good. But I want to talk with you regarding what are my services to my client. So I will divide this video in the three main aspects. One is the ethical reasons, what I am doing, what are technical reasons, and what are the financial benefits which my clients are getting when they are working with me. In the financial, I will cover two main aspects, the two main points. One is the buyer's back guarantee, buyback guarantee. What that means, I will let you know. That how my clients are getting that guarantee after paying or after getting a house. And for the sellers, how I am adding a value to their house so they can sell their house at the earliest possible and with the maximum amount. So let's start from the ethical reasons. I am available 24/7, 365 days. Right now it is 4:30 a.m. in the morning. I am working. Whatever I do with my full heart, with my full energy, with my full money. Always willing to learn and always willing to listen and always willing to change in my life. I am working with Coldwell Banker Southwest Realty, and the experience of all the realtors which I am getting while working in this brokerage is about hundreds of years. There are few second generation realtors who are helping me, and they are not helping in the sense they are helping me personally to deal with the clients or to deal with the clients more professionally. And I am always transparent in my dealings. 100% transparency. If I am working with a buyer, whatever I am talking, texting or emailing to my seller's realtor, those all things are open for my buyer also. And same way, if I am working with the seller, so buyer, realtors, texts, emails, everything is available to my seller. There are no games. I don't accept any sort of referrals from anyone in the real estate industry. Maybe the mortgage persons, maybe from mortgage financial planners of the bank, because they used to come to our meeting and they offer a few $1,000s or sometimes the percentage to the realtors that if I will bring a client to them, they will pay me. But I always forward that incentive to my client. Either I will convince the bank to give the better rate of interest, maybe because I am not taking that referral, and if there is some problem they can't change the rate of interest, I will, whatever the referral I will get from the bank or somewhere, I will move forward to you. Maybe a referral from a lawyer or whatever. I don't accept any referrals from any person in the real estate. I only work for my commission. That's it. Now, technical reasons. Technical reasons, I am a civil engineer. So, I have supervised the buildings and roads for about 24 years. I know the minor details of the building. But there are few different construction methods which are adopted here in Canada. I am learning those methods, especially I am trying to expertise myself for the furnace, AC, the forced air and all the duct services, etc. Because these type of things we don't construct back home. So, I am inexperienced in these sides. So, I am willing to learn and willing to change, and I am reading. I love reading. So, I am reading more stuff into the heating and cooling system. Now, the financial, that is the more important. For my buyer clients, I will arrange the buyback guarantee. What that mean? If you are buying a house, so I will get your home inspected from a company which will give a buyback guarantee that if anything they will miss in their inspection, and you will find those things within 90 days after the purchase of house, they will buy back your house with the full amount. Suppose we are putting an offer and I will get that house inspected from my own persons from that particular company, and they will charge same as the local home inspectors are charging, maybe $300 or $350. They will give you a report which is having each and every detail of your house. And if they miss something in that report, and you will find that particular thing after buying a house within 90 days, if you have bought the house for 600,000, for 300,000, for 1 million, price doesn't matter, they will pay you back the full price within 90 days. This is a big thing. Buyback guarantee for my buyer's client. And the clients who want to sell their houses, who want to list their houses with me, I always sit with them, give them in writing the value of their house, the free estimate, and this every realtor may be doing this. But other thing, I don't mind spending few dollars, few $100 or few $1,000 from my pocket to make that house more presentable, so that we can sell that house at a very good price and within a short frame of time. So if you are looking the buyback guarantee, or if you want to have a good price of your house, if you want to work with an ethical realtor, almost all the realtors may be ethical, but just I am letting you know what I am doing. Give me a call, Harminder Singh, 519-614-0252. The time you will spend with me with a meeting, I know that will be a worth meeting. It will add a few $1,000s in your pocket that single meeting. Maybe you are a buyer or maybe you are a seller. I am waiting for your call. Enjoy your day. Harminder, Coldwell Banker Southwest Realty, 519-614-0252. Thank you.